In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background colors in Google Sites. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your theme controls, how to pick colors that fit your topic, and how to fine-tune a palette that keeps your site clear and consistent. Start on your site's Canvas page, which is the main editing view in Google Sites. Make sure you're in edit mode so you can see the tool panels. This is where you'll be able to make visual changes and watch them update instantly as you work. On the right-hand sidebar, look for the Themes tab. This is your design control center. If you don't see it right away, expand the sidebar and switch from Insert or Pages over to Themes. Opening it reveals a set of ready-made designs that control fonts, buttons, and color behavior across your entire site. Next, click the theme you're already using or pick the one you want to use. Selecting a theme applies its overall style to your pages, and it also unlocks specific color options tied to that design. Don't worry about commitment here. You can click through different themes to see live previews and settle on the one that best matches your content and audience. With your theme selected, you can now change the color to suit your topic. Look for the color or accent controls within the Themes panel. When you choose a new color, you'll see backgrounds, section accents, and certain elements update right away. As you experiment, keep readability in mind. Light backgrounds with dark text or dark backgrounds with light text tend to provide the best contrast. If something looks hard to read, try nudging the shade slightly lighter or darker until it feels comfortable. You can also build or select a color palette. A palette keeps your site cohesive by defining a primary color and complementary accents. Use the preset options for a quick, polished look, or create a custom palette by choosing your own colors. If you already have brand colors, you can enter exact values to stay on brand. A good rule of thumb is to let your primary color handle highlights and buttons, and use softer supporting tones for backgrounds so text remains clear. Once you're done, there's nothing extra to save. Google Sites automatically saves your changes as you make them. You'll see the updates reflected immediately, and you can always return to themes to adjust colors again if something doesn't feel right. That's all there is to it. You've changed your background colors in Google Sites using the built-in theme tools, selected a palette that matches your topic, and ensured your text remains readable and consistent across your pages.